my name is Jennifer, and I'm here to share with you guys how to find SVGs. You're like, what is SVGs? SVGs is the images that you can upload onto your Cricut design space, or there are some that are available to purchase. So unlike you and me, I like to save as much money as possible, and there is tons of websites that you can get free SVGs, and I will show you guys those. But I'm going to show you guys the Cricut design space first. So they have the Cricut All Access where you can actually pay for images. Right here you got they have tons of images, but most of them are 99 cents. Now, if you do sign up for the Cricut Access, I know it's $10 a month, and I can't remember what the yearly price was. You do get 1 month free when you first sign up, which is nice, and you can use those images. But let's say your free month trial has ended. Well, you end up having to pay to use those files if you ever want to cut them out again. But Design Space does have free images, so there is a bunch of them that you can go through and pick free ones. If I'm looking for specific things, I usually will type it up. So like when I was looking for, like, here, they got some just basic ones, which are nice, and then a lot of calendars, and my computer is going too slow to load. But so these are free ones that you can use anytime that you want. You can download them. But there's actually quite a few websites that you can use to get free SVGs. Now, this is a website I just Googled free SVG files, and it'll take you to a lot of websites. But here, and then I will show you guys the ones that I have used. This one I have not used, but some of these you do have to like make an account, and you basically sign up like you're ordering it. But then when you hit buy, then it just comes to be for free. So there's some really good images in here if you guys ever need to find something. Like here, this is just perfect. I know when you first start, it's very overwhelming on what to do. My first project I did is I just made my name. I just cut my name out. I do have a video on how to get free fonts and all that fun stuff, but definitely do that. I found this website too. I will have a link for all these. This is creativefabrica.com. I don't know if I've ever been to this website. I cannot remember, but they have some really cute ones that you can go to. Now, this is one that I used to use like crazy. It's called Love SVG. You do have to make an account from what I remember, but I can't remember. But basically, these are tons of images that you can make to make your projects. Like they got just, little trees, all that fun stuff. You can also look for specific, they changed this website since I used it lately. So we're going to type in Valentine's because Valentine's Day is coming up, and that's all they got for Valentine's Day. So let's just do hearts. And there's a bunch of hearts right here. So you got tons of different hearts to choose from. So these are free. Like I said, some of them you might have to add to like your cart and print those out or order them like that. Let's see. This is a website that I've used like crazy. It is called designbundles.net. Now, they do have ones where you can pay for them, and they do have ones that you can download for free. You do have to have an account. It's super easy, but they do have like bundles and stuff where you pay like $19 and you're saving $244. They're making you think that you're saving a ton of money, but you're not. They do have ones that are dollar deals, which are kind of nice if you're looking for certain things. I've done a couple dollar deals, but they don't have any going on. It looks like it's not starting until the 26th. But I bought a couple of them through the dollar deals, and you can use these for commercial use anyways. But they do have free designs, and there is a ton to choose from. You can just do the free SVGs, and this is anything that if you want free SVGs, like if you want to do a pumpkin. Now, it won't print out that like print, but if you have vinyl that has that print, it's perfect. But these are absolutely free, and you can actually just download them to your computer instantly. Like here's a haunted house. That's actually kind of cool. I never saw that one before. But you got Mr. and Mrs. All these are absolutely free, and you can download them straight to your computer. This one is called freesvgplanet.com. I have downloaded from this a couple times. They do have a lot of Disney prints, and then they probably have some more But basically you just, find the image that you want. If you're looking for a specific one, let's see if Harry Potter is on here. I know a lot of people like Harry Potter. There is some Harry Potter ones, like this one's a very famous picture. So you can just basically, you click on it, and we're going to find the download button. But it says sometimes you can use this and sometimes you can't, but you're just going to download it. Pretty easy. It says it's downloading in 57 seconds. We'll go back to that one. And then we got geeksvg.com. This website's kind of cool. I've used it a couple times, but if you're looking for a specific file or whatever, and it changes it just updates and changes every single time. So if you're like looking for movies, like I was looking for, I think, horror movies at one time, or Hocus Pocus is what I was thinking about it. 35 seconds. So here we got a bunch of movie things, like there's, Wreck-It Ralph. We have the Take One thing. I'm going to type in Hocus Pocus because I absolutely love Hocus Pocus. So let's see if that is ready. And then here, there's a bunch of Hocus Pocus things. So you guys can actually download this stuff and use those SVGs if you want. So I wouldn't recommend selling, if you want to sell on Etsy, I do not recommend selling name brand stuff. I mean, it's good to make things here and there, but do not advertise, because I know Disney and a couple other places really get after you for selling copyrighted stuff. Okay, so Harry Potter finally uploaded. So we're just going to click that, and there's your SVG. So you're just going to go to the Cricut thing. We're going to go to Upload Image, Browse, and we're just going to click the SVG, and then you want the one that says SVG. And there it goes. It's ready to go. So then all you do is you click it like you're going to put it on your canvas, and you can make it however size that you want. Now right here, if you look here to the right, when you cut it, it's going to make it all, it's going to not make it in order, okay? We don't want that. So best thing to do is highlight it, and you're going to do weld. So then when it cuts, it's going to cut exactly like that. Weld is your favorite thing to do. I'm just going to say weld is my favorite button I probably use on Design Space. So here we got that. Now here is called a Picsvg.com. So if you find a picture, I usually type in clip art. You find a picture that you want to basically save, screenshot it, save it however you want. But this is basically what it looks like. But I want to get rid of these lines in my picture. So what you would do is you would just hit upload picture, and you can click however you want it. Usually it kind of looks like that. I don't want anything to look like that. So what you're going to do is you just click what you want. I usually do like ready 1, 2, 3. And then great and strong, to me there's a slight difference. So what you do is when you decide you want to do this photo, you just download it, which I have downloaded it, and I uploaded it on my computer. So you're just going to do it like that. Right here you see how there's got like a little warning sign. It's too big. This is 13 by 18. Most mats are 12 inches, so you just want to do it a little bit smaller. So there would be that. That's how you kind of just upload your own image. It's pretty easy. I will have these links for these websites below, but this is just what I use to get free images. Like I said, I just wrote free images, and there's a lot more. Like here's designbundles.net. So totally a lot of free things. You can also, just if you're looking for specific images, like here, some of these are for free. Some of these you do have to pay for. So a lot of free things to find, but you can pretty much find anything on the internet. You just have to Google it, look for it, all that stuff. This is kind of cool, this little love. So you can click on that website. So do watch some of the websites, because some of them are not legit. So, but I just wanted to share with you guys on how to get free photos, to look for free photos. A lot of websites. Best thing to do is look for free items before paying for stuff. You should never pay for stuff if you don't need to. There's so many things out there on the internet. You just have to search for it. I prefer using my computer than using a tablet, what some people use. For me, it's just easier to find my images. But I just wanted to share with you guys all the free stuff that you can find. And again, I will have the links below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.